Tire sealant and inflator is quick and easy to use foam formula, and is designed to quickly temporarily seal small punctures and leaks. Re-inflating your tire in seconds. Tire repair spray does not require a jack or wheel removal. It's a fast, easy and clean procedure that gets you back on the road in seconds. Suitable for small punctures on all tubeless tires. This Rapid's quick fix tire repair will offer a rapid temporary repair to your tire. The emergency tire repair can be used for any tire, cars, bikes, motorbikes, and for use on all tires, etc. After use this instant quick puncture repair car tire fix sealant inflates. Please immediately drive at a moderate speed for 10 to 15 km, so that the product can optimally distribute itself on the tire surface. Then correct the tire pressure. This is not a permanent tire repair, only temporary. Do not forget to go to a workshop to have the tire professionally repaired.